What's the deal? How's everybody doing? What's the deal? Green, K, thank you mods for showing up to another Asian session. I lied, it's just K and Kieran. What's the deal, Kieran? And the other 200 of you. Appreciate you. Reza's in the house. What's the deal, Reza? And let's get this thing going. So check this out, right? Let's go back to this daily. What have we been saying all week? This has been in the conversation since Monday, and look, we had Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. It's the Friday candle already. Pulling back here. So we did break down. We should continue heading down, and the only thing will be tonight is bearish after this. The only way we are going to be bullish tonight or at all is if we break yesterday's highs, which is all the way at 1890, and ain't gonna happen, right? So let's see where we can take advantage of these sells. Very interesting here on the 4-hour. Let's see. Very interesting here on the hourly as well. Solid level. Wait, I'm not done with you, hourly. Okay. So if possible, I'd like to head down somewhere. These levels overall. So maybe for overall targets, if this does drive down and we get something overnight, these will be overall targets. Hello, TradingView, work. Damn, these big ass ranges. So yeah, there's a lot of range here. Look, 200 pips. 200 pips for the hourly range for us to drive down. Very possible to get that tonight, very possible to get that overnight. And our advantage points on the hourly. To get somewhere here. In the 5-minute, these levels will be higher, but right now I can't go back that far on the 5-minute. Only zoom in here. Okay, we'll look for a closure below here. Once we come back down below here, we'll look for some sells. our advantage point once we start heading back down. And if we do come back up to these areas, oh, I'm not on the 5, I'm on the 15. I'm sorry. Oh, that's crazy. Damn. Sorry, I got the news on. They're showing some crazy things on the news. I don't want to watch this. I didn't want to watch the Nets either. You got the Bulls and the Nets, two teams that ain't making the playoffs. Or they're barely making the playoffs. Alright. See, so our high time frames right now are printing bullish. I'm gonna need something to start printing bearish here in our direction very soon. And we can look for the daily to start rejecting here. And if we could start that and anticipating the daily rejecting here and coming back down, we're gonna need to see the next 4 hour come down, the next hourly start coming down, break the previous hourly into this range. Let's see how far up we drive. We're heavily bearish, so any indication that we're coming back down in range here, we're gonna start anticipating the daily flip. Look to get in on that. All right, yeah. Honestly, if we start coming up above these levels, I'm not looking for buy. I'm looking for buys all the way maybe above 1870. And if that happens, which I highly doubt, then we'll look for buys. But as of right now, everything below 1870 is a sell. And I marked this area off here at 1866 because depending on how high or how we drive above this area, I might look for a fake out here as well. Which it would be a range 1 fake out on the hourly, and fake out back in range on the 5 minute as well. So we end up coming up here to this area, right? I'm gonna look for us to start rejecting, maybe top wick, and come back down into the range here. Right, and if that happens on the higher time frame, this candle, we start looking like this. Right, if we can get something like this on the 30 on the hourly and emulate what happened before here. Reach into these wicks, into this area. Start heading down. Any closure that we start getting below here, we're going to look to anticipate the 4-hour flip, the daily flip, and to be in on this sooner than usual. All right? That's what we'll look for. Until then, we will do nothing. You will do nothing. Gotta get that soundbite, that Conor McGregor one. You will do nothing. It's a good one. Wow, we're filled up here. 360 in there. Well, looking towards the days when we get 500 in the first 10 minutes. Drop some likes. Gotta be some new people on here. Let's get even more. Sub to the channel. Turn on notifications. Did you watch The Walking Dead? No, I didn't. I missed that. Missed that period in time. There's a bearish breaker on the 15 minutes at 1879.84. You want to come up to 1879.84. If price stays below, then we might see bearish continuation. Also, today's daily candle and go. Yeah, so I just said we're gonna have to ride up 200 pips in order for us to take buys. Everyone watch Breaking Bad. Yeah, Breaking Bad was good. Yeah, Mr. White. Yeah, science. Watching Wick stream, great way to end the week. Yes, it is. Can't disagree. Yesterday's scan on pulse on note 1869. Chart price stays below. We have solid value mean daily FVG 04. I'm not sure where the FVG is. FVG. Shout out to you, Manny. Good afternoon. Why would you take sells in the range below 1862-ish? Because every time we break back into that range, we fill it. So every time we respect that level. 5-minute range. And if you see, it would be right here. Goes below, drove down. Respected, go to here, so we fill at least this area. That's our advantage point. So if we get a closure below here, well, not too far below here, but below here, we can look to take advantage of about 20 pips in there. And at that moment, we can also realize that the higher time frame, the hourly, will be breaking back in range for a fake out if this happens on this hourly. 30 would have been breaking back in range. The hourly would have flipped bearish actually right below. This is the hourly low, right? The current hourly low. And if this happens on the next hourly, you're gonna get this, right? On the next hourly. And it would look like this. Get a top wick. Oh, oops, I pressed something wrong. You get a top wick and you drive down, right? If this happens on the next hourly, this is basically the 5-minute closing below here. See, that's why this area. Just all the time frames would fall in line there. And you can start anticipating at that moment already the daily flip. Because at that moment, the daily, well, you can start anticipating the daily break of the lows as the daily would have flipped and would fill this wick, right? Because this wick is just a range. Yeah, the stronger the higher the time frame, the stronger the candle. We're gonna go up a little bit. Yeah, I wouldn't mind. I'd want to go up here. I'd want to come up and grab liquidity. Look at the higher time frame. Daily's up here. Look, the daily every day has come up to these areas, right? To these wicks. Look, to this area. So I think it would be ideal if we come up and create a steeper wick for us to flip. But I don't think we're going up all the way. Here, we'll see if it happens. We'll be ready for it. But right now, I'm looking for this area. See this wick? See this wick. I wanna go into this area, grab liquidity here, and then from here already start coming down. Okay. If we start closing above here, we're gonna look to start heading up again. Back into the range we go. Yeah, if Friday closes bullish and above 1870, we are going to look to head up. At least the beginning of the week, we're going to look to make a top wick in the beginning of next week. It's another interesting concept that's fairly recent. This is coming out to the higher time frame and seeing where we've rejected and had strong wicks to reject off of, right? On the higher time frame, where the higher time frame has gone to, and then just driven straight out of, right? And if you can get into those levels on the smaller time frame, start coming out of them, right? And you can see an indication closing below on the smaller time frame, a wick forming on the higher time frame, breaking previous candles, so you can sort of start forming the story there with the confluence of having rejected hard here before with all those wicks. So you know, you're playing the probability. Probability dictates that you're going to reject from here, right? If you don't, hey, it's not a guarantee, but if you do that every time over a long period of time, probability will dictate that you'll come out on top. What's the deal, Green? Thank you for showing up, ski. Bong hit time. I can see you standing on top of the car, JJ, and just doing that. Bong hit time. Walking back from the gym. Nice. It's that cardio. That after gym cardio. I shall join in the hitting of the bong. Get in line. There's a long line right now to hit this bong. Gummies have been activated and we hitting the wick zone. Just need the end of the week W. You're right. Fuck, I forgot. I keep forgetting. Just walked in. Now we can start. Alright, let's redo the stream. I'm just gonna shut this shit down. Kidding. Now entering the Wix zone.
Just give me the light.
Cake? Did somebody say cake? Does anybody else an ad for Wix e-commerce when you click on Wix stream? I only get it from Wix e-commerce? What the fuck is that? Money, 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 money. Money. Are we rejecting here? Is this what's going on here right now on the 5? Yeah, we are. Shoot. All this talk in here. Well, if we come back into this range, I'm going to start anticipating the daily flipping here. And see what happens. Let's see. Yeah, I want to come back down below here. I want to break the previous 15. Got a minute left here. If it comes down there, chat. See. I don't know, right? Because the next 4 hour, because if we do close bullish here, next 4 hour we'll have to break this, so it might make a bottom would come up. Uh-oh, hold on. Hold on a second. My kids are going crazy. I don't know, chat. They fighting over a skirt. My 3-year-old and my 5-year-old are fighting over a skirt. Yep. So I just took out another skirt. Now they got a couple of skirts. Skirt, skirt. No, they got a lot of skirts, but they fighting over one specific one. What did do Napstone? Oh yeah, they were gonna claw each other's eyes out. They started swinging at each other with toys, fighting over a skirt. How do we close here on the 30? So the 30 closed bullish. Let's see if we can get this next 30 to start breaking into this range. Here's the thing, we might see. We might miss this range if the 30 breaks down here and closes and just fills this range. We got a mosquito here. Anyway, if this 30 breaks the previous 30, We might fill the whole range down, but I think I wanted to close first. Let's see. Got no info here on the 5-minute. And that would be a long time. Yeah, we'd have 27 minutes. And the hourly will flip here, right? Let's see. Is the mic quiet? Shouldn't be. Should be good. Same volume. What are our stops here? 33 pip stops, right? Roughly. Oh, there it goes. Very interesting. I get FOMO, guys. It's not there yet. Don't just start jumping. I'm in. You can do whatever you want. I'm waiting on this. I want to miss the play just so I can work on the phone on no FOMO. No, you want to just not have FOMO, and there will be times when you miss it. There'll be times when you catch it. It's not really missed, right? You're waiting on it. We need a closure, decent closure, and I'm just debating here if I want to take a sell off the rip here. This 1 hour, this 30 broke the previous 30, right? Let's see if we can get a top wick here. Although the 1 hour has a great top wick, right? Ooh, there it goes. It's gonna fill the range here. I didn't get in, chat. I was thinking about it, but I didn't get in. There it goes. Yeah, this is solid. This was a really solid play here. Because this range, this is our advantage point. Look, they just dropped straight to our advantage point. Even if I called it out for you guys, half of you guys would have been in there really late. So, not really fair. Yeah, look at that. It dropped 16 pips. If I know any better, K took it. Did K take this? Nice. Yeah, if you guys got in that, if you were quick enough to get in there. Nice job. So now the hourly's flipped, filled this range down. Let's see if we can break down any further below that. That was really the anticipation play for the higher time frame. But now that it's happened and the 4 hours flipped and it's filling the wick, we kind of have no choice but to wait now. You don't want anything in that range? No, I think it was going to come down, right? We said this is our advantage point here. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. I'm eyeing this break here on the hourly. I really want the next hourly to pull up so we could then take sells, but the 5 minute was clean. This 5 minute was clean. Yeah, I mean, we drew this out, right? We drew this out earlier. But didn't really get a fake out. It just drove straight down. If this pulls back right now on this 30, we can have more sells. So if the 30 closes below this area right now, over here, this candle pulls back, we'll have some range to fill down. Right, anywhere here, you have a good 20 pips to fill and expect the daily to keep driving. But this 30 is going to close in 20 minutes, and that's going to be also the 4-hour close, closing bearish. It's going to be that 1-hour close, closing bearish. Right, this is key. If we can close exactly where we're at right now and not fill the range yet, that'd be great. But if we don't and we drive down, there should be more sells. Like, there's massive range here to fill, right? Below here. A lot of range to fill down. But this was a solid entry. If anyone took it, I would probably be, I'd definitely be break even. I would have closed like 75% of it. A lot of volume. That 4-hour flip here. Chad, if it does this again, we're going to have the same play. If it comes back up above this range and the 5 minute comes back down, we'll have the same play. That's going to be the higher time frame top wick. Where would I have entered? As soon as this candle closed, I wasn't going to wait for it. I don't, honestly, I wasn't ready. I wasn't locked in. To be completely honest, I just wasn't locked in. I don't want to be here like, yeah, well, it wasn't not my position. No, that's my position. I just wasn't locked in. It's Thursday. I had a pretty nice W this morning, and I think we all had a nice W. Everyone except Don had a W. And homie was pissed. He's like, yeah, you got it too. You got it too. But yeah, I would have gotten in right here. Well, as soon as this candle closed, right off the rip, that should have been the entry. It gave you 16 pips within a few seconds. It's going to fill this range. It was a great position to take. I just wasn't locked in. I feel like Don does it on purpose. No, like he what do you mean? I don't think he was locked in at that moment either. He was planning on leaving, and he wasn't locked in. He was looking at different things. And it's a little tough. Like, you're streaming, you're looking through different time frames. You're talking to people. Caught at 1865.10. I mean, yeah, I guess. You caught it at 1865.10? You fucking with me. I know you trolling. Some reverse cycle shit makes sense for views? No, I don't think so. But believe me, if he gets a W and then he gets to put a story up about it, that brings in more. Caught it at 1892. Yo, you guys are some fucking savages. I need you guys to start streaming, and I'm gonna join your stream. I don't know what I'm doing over here then. This was ideal. This was perfect. Now, okay, so here's the thing. You have a 4-hour that's driving down here. This is your 4-hour level right here at 1860, right? You need to close below there. Once this break, we want this 4-hour now to break this area and break this previous wick, because that'll get us out of that little range, the previous 4-hour range. Well, the previous 4-hour wick, which is a range on a small time frame. The issue with breaking here, we can't take a sell off the rip. Once you're breaking down here, now you're gonna need a 5-minute range to form here, right? As you close below, you're gonna need to come back up in range and probably have liquidity right at the levels where we were earlier, maybe around 1863, 1862. And as we start coming down, we can use that level as our stops to come down over here. Keelan, how's it going? What's going on? Sorry you missed it. Yeah. I don't stress it. I want to see these previous 4-hour lows get broken. I'm with you. So I was just saying, you want this to come down. Once we break this level, it's not going to reject here the next time. It'll just come up and drive down. Be wild right now if this 4-hour just comes up and closes bullish. No, at this point on the 5, you need a range created now. Now you need to break this level, break these lows at 1859.1, and then come back up and create a range. So there's some waiting, but the good thing it's 5-minute candles. Farmer Tom said, that's BS. That's why I said, hey, maybe they should stream. Quite doubt the break for a moment. We are at Friday. Yeah, look at this daily now. Look at this. Look at all this liquidity it grabbed. Look at this drive and close below the range. So now you're gonna look to grab some liquidity and just. I think by tomorrow we'll be at 1832. I mean by the end of my day tomorrow, after New York session. So London session, New York session, we'll drive down here. But that is only if we start closing below. Last 15 of the 4-hour chat. Last 15. Would it be safe to long for a few hours since it's on a downtrend? No, you're contradicting yourself. He's got range on the weekly, but the weekly is over, right? This is the last weekly sessions, basically. It's Friday already in Asia, so. Weekly has mad range. It's just, is it gonna happen this week? Probably not. This week we need this gladiator candle, like something like this that's happening right now. Maybe close a little bit lower at around 1850, 53 by the end of the day tomorrow. And if that happens, then next week top wick somewhere into these areas to 1870, and then fall back down and fill the range at 1820. That's gonna be the week. You need the weekly closure below 1860. 1850, 1852, I think, the weekly closure. Yeah, below 1855 over here. I mean, yeah, if you're swinging, I mean, I don't know how it would work here, where your stops would be, but a short on a swing here seems pretty logical. I don't know how. You just can't take it off the rip. You got to see some indication that this is the moment that the weekly drives. You don't want to be stuck in a bunch of trickling up and down and ranging or slow moves. You want to be in the candle that's going to move. So you want to choose the week or the day that you're expecting shit to move. Everything that's happening, I mean, we broke this down, right? We broke this pullback up here, grabbed some liquidity. We wanted it higher, but oh well, it came back to this range. We explained why we wanted to come down and fill this range. So look, it filled it to the T. To the T, it filled this range. This is where we would have closed. Right? Simply because previously price has done the same thing when closing back into this range. It just tested these lows. So I like gold, and I keep saying it. It's very technical. It fills ranges when it breaks into them, right? And it retests highs and lows. Look, it just retested the low. Come up. So Don got you in drawdown right now. Don't worry about it. When did he take a position? Yo, it doesn't matter actually. We'll discuss it after it's over. Yo. Tom, do me a favor. Don't call out signal group positions here. People will get confused. Yeah, no, I don't know if you let's just don't discuss it. Yeah, no. People will get confused. They'll be like, "Oh, someone's in there," and they'll start entering because you got to understand, like a lot of people here just hang on every single word, and you just got to be careful how you say it, what you say. No, I didn't even know yeah, impulsive. But think about yourself when you started trading, right? You think, "Oh, who's in a position? In? All right, I'm gonna be in." And I entered. Thanks, Kyle. I didn't even know. Let me see where he took. Okay. No, I'm not interested in buys until we break 1890. Or if we close today above 1878. Basically, there's no buys today. Today is the day with no buys. There will not be any buys. I'm looking only for sells. And regardless of what you see, this wick down and you think it's gonna just all of a sudden skyrocket to fucking all-time highs. No! Ain't gonna happen. There you go. Dan C took buys. There you go. See? There are people taking buys. Me personally, nope. But there's people that are in buys. See, it's just perspective. There's nothing wrong. Everyone has a different approach and how they see the market, right? You have a different perspective than others. See, like I said, look, if we pull up back into this range and then come back down, we'll probably have the same sells again. And if anyone's in the signals, I mean, not wrong till you hit those stops. Until then, technically, on the higher time frame, still good. Eight minutes till the 4-hour closes here, chat. 8 minutes. The 4-hour close bull. Will it close doji? Doji 4-hour would be more or less ideal. Hi, beautiful. Love you. Kieran, you're beautiful as always. You're always beautiful. There you go. There's your heart. Drop a like, chat. Sub to the channel. Turn on notifications. If you made a bag on that last trade, buy me some coffee. No, don't do that. I'm just kidding. Not buy me no coffee. My ass would be wired as hell over here. I drink coffee. I can see sound. You guys know that. This. Four-hour, huh? Doji, huh? Watch us close doji. We'll just swipe it out. 5-minute closing back in this range here. So we would be all over this 5-minute, and it should technically drive down here, right? But if this is 5 minutes later, I think we would be all over this. But I can't take this trade 5 minutes before the 4-hour close. I think this happened yesterday, right? We had a candle close 5 minutes before the 4-hour close. Took the sell late diamond drawdown. Don't panic. Higher time frames are in your favor, right? Trust the higher time frames. I'm not in, but there we go. See, nice closure back in range, but this 4-hour is ranging here, right? Indecision. We don't want to be in indecision. We want to be in confirmation. There it goes, filling the range again. We had this yesterday, right? Pretty sure it was yesterday. If you're in there, you got about 5 pips. I need this candle to happen about 5 minutes later. What's the move? No, I'm not. I'm sitting on my hands still waiting on this 4-hour close. We're going to wait to see how this 4-hour close, because even when this 4-hour closes, right, you're still looking at a top wick on the next 4-hour. So I'm still going to look to come down to these areas where these wicks are that we discussed earlier. But now that we have a wick here, anywhere in this area would be wait. Right? So anywhere in this area on the next 4-hour, on the next hourly, and back into this range, then we'll take positions. All right. Should fill the range. Did this yesterday. Just went straight down 5 minutes before the 4-hour. Two minutes till the 4-hour closes. And if it drives, great. If it drives down, that's good for us. We'd still need it to close below this area, right? Below 1859. I have my own setup, but I come to every stream just to relax. Feels really good. Thanks, Wix. Got you, Bruno. Thank you. Thank you for joining us. Thank you for the vibes. Alright, Wix, where will be a nice stop loss in this? It'll be this 4-hour high, this current 4-hour high that we have right now. That's the 5-hour. That's the. So, okay. A lot will depend on where we form these cells. If it forms right here, our stops will probably be around 1863. If it forms right here, our stops are probably the previous 5-minute level around this area, 1865. Although ideally, this is the stop because we can come up all the way up to here and still reject, come down. Start with large deposit into forex trading? No, I started with $200 and I blew it the first night. Yeah, as long as you got some value here, John. This is W. Everything is a learning experience here. Time on the charts. This is you're gaining knowledge, and it's not learned knowledge. You know, it's not book knowledge. This is knowledge guided by experience. I say this all the time. Knowledge guided by experience is the most sacred kind of knowledge. Start with large deposits. Feel like you spit bars before with your homies? No, I just have some experience and I love sharing what I know. $30 seconds here, chat. 30 seconds for this 4-hour close. 30-minute back in the hourly's back in this range, but we close. There we go. We did close, and we closed respecting this level, chat. Let's see. Let's see if we can get a top wick. What the fuck is this? Yeah, let's look for this to come up into the area we just pointed out here on the hourly. Somewhere here. 1863, 1863.5. Closure below here will just take us down. If we just close on the next 5 bearish, that might be the position. Let's wait. Really want a steeper wick here. Right, but it's rejected off this logical level. This is the most recent logical level. Yeah. Let's see. Keep your impulses in check, but there's 3 minutes left to this candle. There's a whole story to tell here. Ideally, we come back up here and then close back below. That would give us a top wick on the higher time frame. irrelevant of what happens, the next 2 minutes they're sitting on my hands. If it drives down, well, if it drives up, you have to be okay with these things, right? You have to be okay with certain parameters needing to be met. If it drives up, great. You ever used moving averages? Yes. I still use them? No. There must be a reason. Why having a wick is important? Well, having a wick on a higher time frame is pretty key because you want to see the liquidity grab. Because typically that means on the price went into that area and collected those orders to drive, and that's good. And you'll see that reflected on the smaller time frame, typically in the shape of a fake out or respect of the zone with a candle closing at support or resistance. That would be a wick on the higher time frame. Got a minute for this candle here. Gonna drive, huh? Looking at the break of this low on the 5 minute, because if it breaks this low, it's just clean to drive here. Let's see. It's 20 pips here. If this 5 minute here closes bear in 20 seconds, same way it is right now, I'm gonna take a position right off the closure. Okay, so get locked in. You got 10 seconds. All right, chat, I'm in a position here. I got a short position. These previous are stops around 37 pips, and our TP will be around these areas at 1852. More here, chat. Higher time frame here. Speaking volumes, right? Needs to reach our advantage point. Until then, there's not much to be done. a Wix on the Zoom link. I won't be toxic. I'll drop a Zoom link in a little. Yeah, let's finish off this trade. Let's get out the trade, and I want to lock in here. Make sure I can manage it as we move. We would have hit break even on the first trade, right? It would have been 16 pips and break even. 20 pips and break even. When will you show your MT5? When I sell your product? Or actually never. You see me taking a trade live here, right? It doesn't matter if there's $10 in my account or $210,000 in my account. The trade is live. And those who know. Told you where I'm going to take a position. It doesn't matter how much money I have right now. I'm putting my reputation on the line by telling you guys in advance what I'm doing. Right? This is live in front of, thousands of people sometimes in the morning. All right, guys, this is our advantage point here. I'm going to go break even here, and I'm going to close. Waiting. Wait a minute. I'm going to close 50% of my position at 11. Right, so I'm break even. 50% of my position is closed at 11 pips. I don't know, with spread it came out to, it looked a lot more, right? It looked like a lot more here. But I got another 50% running and we're break even. Why doesn't this show break even? Oh, we moved it, that's why. There we go. So, another W. Let's see how far we go. But it's a W.
We got a runner.
Know what I mean?
Wow, I feel good.
And this is why you wait, chat. We wait for things we need, right? We waited. I don't think there was any drawdown in there. Do we see any drawdown? Now if it comes back, it takes me out. I don't give a shit. It could drive another 1,000 pips. Like, I took my part of the market, and I know we're going to have more moves and more ranges in the next session, and London will move. And, oh, man, you could miss the whole drive 1,000 pips down, but I don't give a shit. I took like 40 pips today in the morning. Took 40 pips yesterday in the morning. I'm going to take my 10, 15 that Asian gives. I'm going to take another 20. I'm going to take another 15 and take another 40. And you know what? Instead of having that one big ass win and a bunch of little losses and still come out on top, I'd rather have a bunch of small wins, big wins, just wins, because those W's, they do something for your confidence. They do something for your mindset when you're in a trade, when you're in a position. Right? And now, look, if I get taken out break even, right? I secured some bacon, and then I'm gonna wait for more closures below this range. I'm fine if it just, takes me out and then drives for more closures below here. Update you. Close here. Getting close. Will we survive? Will we survive this little 5-minute pullback? Let's see, let's see, let's see. Because if we don't survive, it comes up and takes us out, right, and creates and hits our break-even point. It's most likely going to come up and create a steeper top wick on the hourly. And if it creates a steeper top wick on the hourly, once we start coming back down again, yeah, you could have more positions. But it's completely feasible that this should come back. This could come back up because the hourly doesn't have a top, barely, right? Barely has a top wick. So if it comes back up here, that means there wasn't enough liquidity to just drive right now. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. But we got another W. Oh, it's good for the optics. www. Calm Wilding, what do you say? What do you say? DM me the link. Why does everybody want to see calm? This is a false advertising. Calm is the opposite of calm on chat here. We want. You want calm? All right. Let him in. I know. We want prenup. We want prenup. All right. Hold on. Is there anyone else here in the Zoom? Yeah, there's people in the Zoom. Hold on. It ain't gonna happen often. Oh shit, I almost dropped the link in the YouTube. That would have been wild. It's only for today. I'm gonna have to change this link tomorrow. All right. If you're in the course, yeah, I'm dropping a link for everyone that's in the course. All right. Don't come in here ratchet and shit. Can you elaborate on why you took the straight? I just got here. I broke it down 5 minutes before it, 10 minutes. Just rewatch the stream. I broke it down. I broke down this drive up, drive come back down in range, coming up, respecting this level. We broke all this down for the entire session. Literally, we spoke just about this for the last hour, hour 15. We haven't really deviated. So we broke down everything that's happened here before it happened, just to show what we're expecting, and if what we're expecting happens, we're going to get in a trade. What we expected happened, and we got in a trade. And we should have been in a trade earlier. There should have been 2 trades tonight, but oh well. Oh damn, people, just hold on. Let me let some people in.
What's the deal?
Wagwan, my youth. What's
How
going
you
on?
doing?
Good. They
Chilling,
asked for
chilling.
calm and they got Kieran. Oh well. Oh, there he is. Hey, Green's in the house. What's the deal?
Oh my God.
Yo.
Wagwan.
Yo,
Oh
yo,
my God.
yo,
Hold on, hold on. Let's fix this. Hold on. There you go.
yo,
Oh
yo,
my God.
yo, there's an
Yo, hold
echo.
on. You guys gotta fix your sound. I hear the stream. That's probably Green. Turn the stream off, and then you can talk on here.
You guys got. Yeah, mute your stream, yeah.
Mute your stream and you can talk on here. That's Green. And he ain't really green. He's black.
Now I'm green. Chat, what's up, chat? I'm not trading today, all right?
Why?
I'm
What happened?
celebrating.
Why are you not
Oh
trading?
shit.
Tomorrow's my big day.
Oh shit! You're getting a divorce.
So,
Congratulations.
I'm babysitting chat right now.
Oh, nice, nice. I appreciate you, dog. I truly do.
Gotcha.
I love the fact that you show up every day.
Only for you, Wix9. I
Appreciate
told
it.
myself I'm not joining no other Zoom, but Wix is first.
There you go. Now you join this. Now you could just go wild and just hit up everybody's Zoom. Just bang everybody out.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. We got a big face reveal. Chat, I hit break even here as we're coming back up. Let's get rid of this. Hold on. Let me put this in the session trades. You'll have.
Side B, Wix side B.
Yeah, I know. I'm not as quick as Don. That boy. Just everything. I got it covered. Boom. One button for this, one button for that.
He's not looking jacked. He is jacked.
Karen, how's the weather over there?
Shit. It
Cold
was
over there?
freezing rain today. So a lot of ice on the road.
This guy's stupid. New York is about to
Hey.
get just like that.
Probably, yeah. I'm not surprised if that actually, no, I am surprised that it isn't like that right now.
Can you explain
the
that
weather.
last trade?
Hey. Oh, I'm in the house.
Yo, what's up, my boys?
Oh, yo.
Yo, shout out Wick, shout out Green, shout out Kieran. Hey, y'all see how Wix wanted us to come in after the trade.
I didn't even take the trade.
I don't even hate.
Ooh.
Damn. So how young you gonna be?
Paul Pierce, baby.
How young you gonna be, Green? 34?
Paul Pierce.
What's his number? 34, right?
Yes, sir.
Damn, boy, you old, dog.
Oh, man.
Hey, you're young, though.
Man,
I would have
age-
guessed like 28.
Age is just a state of mind until you get arthritis.
Age is
but-
just a number. If she can walk, she can take.
Don't worry, I'm blessed to get this age.
Nah, bro. Honestly, like, if you're trading right now, at your age, bro, with the capital that you probably have, like, you'll be good, bro. You got experience, bro. I'd be lacking like a lot of patience and whatnot. Even though I'd be profitable, I'd still be lacking a decent amount of patience.
Yeah, I mean, I've been training for like 4 years, so I'm
Hey, man,
doing pretty good.
you got 2 more years on me.
Yeah.
trying to be like Wicks. I gotta fly out. I gotta fly out just to ask some questions. Maybe at Disneyland or something.
Chuck E. Cheese, boy. What are you saying?
Oh yeah, Chuck E. Cheese. Chuck E. Cheese boot camp.
Where? Bring me the rat. I want the
Yeah,
rat.
that's my mentor.
Chat got to take a shot with me today. Everybody got to take a shot.
Alright.
Yep.
I mean, I don't smoke.
This
I
is
used
a
to-
family-friendly stream, but god damn it, if a shot must be taken, a shot will be
Look,
taken.
guys, got all vodka in here, guys.
Yo,
Grab
chat,
whiskey.
honestly, I need new security. I need new security at the door. I don't know who the fuck let these people in. I don't know who they're paying off. I need to know who my bouncer at the door is. WTF.
Yo, who sent the Zoom link?
Word,
I think
who's
it
giving
was
out the Zoom link to
it was
everybody?
Reza. Reza gave the Zoom link to me.
Damn, they snitching on Reza real quick. Oh man, he just snitched.
Yeah.
Who did it? Reza. Everybody pointed finger at Reza.
It was a test run.
Alright, chat. I don't know none of these people. They're in Don's course. I don't know none of them. No, I appreciate you guys for showing up to the streams and showing up here to support. Chat, drop a like, sub to the channel. Got 620 watching for that trade. Come on, we deserve some
Come on, bro.
likes for the breakdown.
Get Wicks to 8K, boys. Come on.
Yeah,
End of
we
the
can do
month.
it. We can
End of
do
the month.
8K.
8K. End of the month.
Easy.
Let's go.
Do 8K
Hey, bro,
easy.
if you want me to stir up some drama, I can get you 8K real quick on Twitter right now. I tell
No,
everyone to
no
come
drama.
through.
Yeah, you can tell people to come through. Just don't start no drama.
Wicks versus Dawn funding challenge? Question mark.
Chat, look at this. Look what's going on. You have the hourly that flipped and it's coming up higher. So it's coming up into this range that we kept speaking about, right? With the... Hold on, let me bring this. You guys, it's too much of you. You guys are too big here.
You interested in buys above 1866?
Wait. There you go. Alright, so yeah, now that we're making this top wick, I think as this just might be a later position, but this hourly has made a top wick. It's going to grab liquidity in the areas that we discussed. Go to the hourly. We keep talking about we keep talking about 1862 to 1864, and it's already in this area, right? If we can get it to come up a little higher here to the top of this range, 1864. If it comes up over here and doesn't break this wick here and starts coming back down into this range, you guys already know. Same cells. Same effing cells. Every time it will come back into that range like that after grabbing liquidity, that's what it'll do.
Would you take buys above 1866?
No.
No?
No. I won't take buys at all. No, not for the rest of this week. There won't be no buys unless this rejects hard overnight and starts driving up and we get some really bullish higher time frame closures. So this previous 4-hour closed bullish, but it closed bullish respecting this little resistance here. Closed right below it. So I'd expect the top wicking to come down. This would be incredibly surprising if this decides to start all of a sudden riding all the way up. But if that does happen, 1870 and up, then I'll start thinking about buys. But for that to happen, you're going to see a lot of bullish candles. You're going to see a lot of bullish volume. You're gonna see a
On
pullback.
Valentine's Day, probably.
Fuck Valentine's Day.
You got
Don't have-
CPI on Tuesday on Valentine's. You know
I
that's gonna
think
drive that shit up. You
It
know
might
it's gonna
drive it up,
that.
but I think that could also be the drive for as a top wick for the
For the weekly. Yeah.
See, look at this top wick on the weekly. It's at 1890. It could be a top wick all the way up to here. So we might get a few bullish
Yeah.
days
1884 probably hit that area, come back down.
and then drive back down. That's right.
Yeah.
Look, you had a 15 close? No, 30, right? 30 just closed. Did it close back in range? Oh, it didn't close. I'm sorry. That was the previous 30.
Wix, I'm trying to be the new you, bro. You know,
Yeah.
people hate you in the beginning, and start my own London, maybe. Who knows?
Be the old you. Don't be the new me. Be the old you. Or be the new you.
I respect that. I respect that. Rage effects coming soon, guys.
Jesus.
Real soon.
Boy went from calm to rage. Oh, bah. Look, this might start coming back down in range again on the 5. But it grabbed liquidity, right? The 1 hour has created a wick here. We might get some position real soon.
Calm for London. They're calling you. The people want you.
I only trade Sydney, guys. Sorry.
That's it, Sydney. This guy.
Didn't grab shit. No, it should come grab more liquidity, but it did come re-break the hourly highs. I'm fine with this level if we start coming back down. The hourly came up, made a wick.
We've been shorting like all. Yeah, we've been shorting like all week, guys.
Yeah. It's just, here's the thing. We've had a bullish 4-hour close. Grab liquidity to come down, came back up. Rebroke the highs, grab more liquidity. Now we start printing bearish. Ideally, now you'd want the break of the 4-hour low, because that would be the 4-hour wick special here. If you break that, if that happens anytime before 1 a.m. in the next 4 hour, London's gonna be clean as hell to come down here.
You think you made more on buys or sells, Wix?
What do you mean, overall?
Like overall, yeah.
I don't know. I've never even thought about it that way.
Yeah. I think shorts for me, for sure, it's like have been a lot quicker than my buys, at least on my end.
I never thought of it. It just depends on what the ranges are, and like, I don't know. It's not like a stat. I've
Yeah.
thought about.
Just look to the left, right?
It's irrelevant. It doesn't matter if buys or sells. It's this market prints the same way, whether it goes up or down, right? Sentiment will affect the market the same way, whether it's good sentiment, bad sentiment. It's not going to move differently just because it's going up. Or move differently because it's going down, right? Bad news drives it down. Good news drives it up. And what's going to matter here is your patience. Your patience in waiting for the candle to close. I know this candle came back in range here, and this seems like a good idea to sell here, but it needs to close lower here now, because there's a little play here on the 5-minute, and ideally, honestly, I'm most likely done for Asian session, because I want this 4-hour to start coming down and break, because right now, what can happen at any moment in this 4-hour, we can reject, we can start coming back up and make a steeper wick. I really want this to tell me, hey, we're heading down, we had enough volume, and the way we know that is if we break this previous 4-hour low.
Just for you guys.
Let's see. The 1 hour did come up and create a steeper wick, right? It's weird. I don't know. I think I want either a steeper top wick to come back down to this area to know that we're driving to grab more liquidity, or I want us to close clearly below 1859 at this point. We have 1859.1 on our chart.
Damn, the Clippers got Highland, Gordon, and Plumlee.
Yeah, but the Suns got Durant.
Yeah.
They paid nothing for him. Common effect. Appreciate you. Appreciate the dono. Thank you so much for showing up to the stream. Big W's.
Suns got the
Wyoming,
CP3
West.
curse.
What was that?
The Suns got the CP3 curse though.
Yeah, it's alright. All curses are meant to be broken. I don't believe in that shit. Nets are a joke? No, that's what I said. They need to move back to Jersey. It's crazy. Going back in
The Knicks need to re-sign Jeremy Lin.
Chat, all in favor of mutant calm? All opposed?
One in the chat. One in the chat.
Nay, nay.
I'm just joking. We're not gonna mute chat. We're not gonna mute calm.
Guys, we already took a dub. Enjoy the fucking night. Sit back, relax, wait for the fucking candles to play out.
Word, wait to miss your move, and that's it.
I just wait all day for drawdown, guys. Love it.
I love the thrill.
At least gold give us a direction. That's what
Oh,
I'm
I
gonna
mean,
do.
it's given us that direction all week. Now we know direction for next week, basically.
Baby, are you down, 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 down? You hit a
Think so.
2-day today, Wix?
No, I didn't. I'm more now for the last 2 days.
Yeah, I'm worn out for this morning.
I don't think I'm gonna wake up tomorrow.
What?
Oh, it was about to be a
Be a sad
strip club
birthday.
type of night?
Be a sad birthday. He never woke up for his birthday.
Yeah, I'm gonna try.
Green's about to go to space at
Nah, you're
at 2
gonna wake
a.m.
up. Your kid's gonna be over there. Wake up. Wake up. You know what my kids do? They go like this. They just open my eyelids.
That's next
Nine-
level disrespect.
9K in drawdown right now. Why? Why?
Why?
Is Matthew Muhammad in massive drawdown? I mean, I don't know. Are you trading like 100 lots? You just lost 10 pips? What's going on?
What's the biggest lot that you've dropped, Wix?
Ever in my trading career? 40.
Yeah. Okay. Was it on GJ or on gold?
No, it was on gold.
Okay. Oh, big boy. I start calling you Don Vo.
Well, it wasn't too smart, but it was very,
It played out?
yeah. But it was just, it was a high probability trade. And it
Closure
was,
above or Wix special?
what, initially? No, it was some drawdown. It was a pineapple.
Oh, pineapple. Pineapple, pineapple, pineapple. Who's playing right now, Wix? Who's playing?
Chicago, Brooklyn. Brooklyn's giving them buckets right now. Brooklyn up.
Yeah, 101.92. Okay. Lakers later today? 7 o'clock?
No, hell no. 15 flipped. Previous 15 closed bullish. See how this last 30-minute played out? So we took this 30 on the initial push down, right? But then it closed bullish. Now this 5 minutes closed. There's too much rejection here in this area at this moment. Now that this drive happened twice during the session, right? Ideally, the next closure is below 1859.1.
Blame the Asians, bro.
Yeah, no, look, this you really just want a steeper top wick here, and the 4 hour to start coming back down. Once you get 4 hour bearish closures and a break of this level,
Break a previous 4-hour lows, golden.
but you will do that for London. London seems golden, and if it does come up, it starts re-breaking highs. It'll start closing back below 1870, below 1866 here, and once it does that, you have more chances to retest the lows, because that's what gold will do. It'll retest that low, end up filling the range, and then you'll see it'll do it on the higher time frame, right? Just like it's done it on the 5 minute here. Close back in here, fill the range, come back up, find resistance, retest it, or retest it here, right? Came down, up, retest. So if it comes up to these areas, look at this wick here, rejection wick. Come up all the way here, reject, and start retesting again. You might see this same exact play out. It would be ideal, actually, if this same exact play plays out. If it comes up here and then starts coming down here, ideal. That would be ideal for London. That would be the top wick for on the, there will be a resistance on the 4-hour, and then you have a bearish 4-hour close to start breaking down the daily. Just ideal the way the higher time frames are printing, but for you or for me to take a position here at this point, it needs to be out of this range. It needs to close below 1859 down one. Right now it's too much rejection after we did what we did. Okay, everybody got that?
Remember it. Write it down. Take a picture. I don't give a fuck.
Posh.
Yo, did you change to side B already? I don't hear anything.
No, yeah, I changed it, but I turned it down. I don't know. Do you guys hear it on Zoom? I don't know if you hear me. You might not
Nah,
hear
we don't hear
music
shit.
You don't hear
Yeah, I
music
don't
on
hear
Zoom?
Nah, it's all good. I don't want to hear that trash.
I gotta fucking. Gotta fucking. I hear you. I don't want to hear that trash either. I'm actually with you on that. But I gotta do
I
it.
miss the music streams, bro.
You got Tion Wayne.
Nah, I gotta.
You don't want to do that.
No, no music, no cry.
I don't know.
Because then we lose the value aspect, right? When this shit gets banned
Yeah.
in 28 different countries.
You can't go back and you can't clip your stuff, and people are
can't
gonna
do
say,
shit with it.
Can you explain yesterday's trade 4-hour?" And you can't go back on it, and you have to break it down all over again.
Like if I was gonna have somebody just doing clips for me, it would be really tough to be like, yo, just go. It's easier to go to the live stream; they're all available, or like, oh, half your shit's blocked. Need more content. Put some Dr. Dre on. Dr. Dre's dead. Locked in my basement.
Oh, got me for a second.
So what are we doing? We're doing this Saturday back testing? No, I'm just kidding. No Saturday.
Sunday back testing.
Sunday.
No. That's Don's thing. I'm not. This is enough practice.
I want the Sunday Zoom links. Come on, man.
That's enough practice.
I supposed
That'll
to be
be
a
chill.
franchise player, and we're in here talking.
I'm gonna be
about
the first
practice.
person to buy the Sunday Zoom links. Let me know, Wix. You're stuck. You're stuck with me, bro.
Yeah.
Pre-order it now.
I'm
I
gonna raise
got
the
you.
prices.
Oh hell no. I'm about to buy on Black Friday.
I'm gonna raise the prices on Black Friday. Today, only today. Get the Zoom link for double the price.
Double the price, half the value.
Of course, comes with a joint.
Imagine.
Yeah, we actually blocked out a lot of the stuff in there. Doubled the price. Less is more.
Don't mind the redacted pages. Those black squares belong there. Pretend they're candles. Rolled by Wix. Should have been 2 trades on the session today. Fuckers.
No, you could have got the one that I caught.
Trying to manipulate the stream record.
Because
Our
Green said
win
he wasn't
percentage.
trading.
Today I'm babysitting chat right now.
Chat freaked out when I said I was in drawdown.
Alright, so you decided that's it. You're not gonna trade today. Why? Because it's your birthday, or because you're drinking, or because you
Bro,
just
I
need some
I'm
time off?
intoxicated.
Intoxicated.
Bro, if you trade on your birthday, you're about to be like Wix on his birthday, bro. That day.
Don't trade and drive. Or-
I don't want to do it. I don't want to pull no triggers today. I mean, earlier I traded, but not tonight.
You traded in New York, right?
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, it's always lately. It's been the last like hour of the stream, usually like a 9:30, 9 o'clock trade.
I can't leave Wix alone, so I always gotta show up.
There you go. I don't trade on my birthday. Yeah, I'm gonna try not to trade on my birthday either. That was a shit show.
Wasn't it 2 losses in a row? And the Wordle loss.
Yeah.
It was a loss on stream and trading. It was a loss in Wordle. It was just a loss all around on my birthday.
That was all day.
It was on Don's stream. That was terrible. Everybody lost.
If it makes you feel any better, I caught pips on my birthday.
I caught pips on your birthday too.
Yeah, we did.
Yeah, we did.
Yo, my birthday stream's about to be crazy. Y'all about to see me in the club.
What?
I'm about to live stream on Zoom from the club. New York session.
Wow. It's not like 5 a.m. for you?
Yeah, I'm about to be like Wix at space. Wix, you gonna take me out when I move to Miami when Don goes out there?
Where, Wix, where you live?
Right
Near the beach,
bro.
boy.
Yeah. Chad loves that. That never gets old.
That's my shit.
Wix makes me laugh every single day. It's not a day that goes by that you do not make me laugh.
I know Wix was laughing when I told chat to go stop loss break even earlier.
You surf, bro? No, but I do snowboard.
Hey, I'm going to Whistler this weekend, Wix.
There's no
I go
no fucking
who's
snow
in
there.
Canada? Who's from Canada in the chat?
That's where you from, Con? Canada?
No, I'm driving like a few hours just to go snowboarding over there.
Where are you now?
I'm over in Seattle, so it's not too bad.
Seattle. Oh, man.
Yeah, it's like 6:44 right now for me.
It's
Hey.
raining, right? I bet you it's raining.
Actually, it hasn't been that much, bro.
Mm.
But it will be. I don't doubt it.
Shorting after this 5-minute close bearish wicks? No. I'm gonna wait for it to grab liquidity because of the time. I'm not gonna sit in trickle down range here between 10 and 1 a.m. And I'm gonna wait for it to actually grab this liquidity here, come up. If it breaks the highs, we're gonna wait even more. If it doesn't and starts coming down, I might be up for London. I might be trading London. I'm not streaming it. I'm gonna see how this 4-hour closes at 1 a.m. But I really want us to break down and come down below 1859.1. Until then, I'm not gonna trade. I'm not gonna trade us coming back into this range right now. At this point, we need to really break these lows. Otherwise, too much rejection here now. The initial idea was we're gonna break the lows and continue driving. Right now, it's looking like on the 4-hour, looking like we're gonna fill this wick up, and if it breaks, it's gonna look for a new resistance somewhere up here. And if we find some resistance here and start heading down after some bearish closures, then that'll be it. But right now, while we're within these wicks of the previous 4-hour, we need the previous 4-hour low broken. And that's the way the cookie crumbles.
Now drop some
Remember it.
likes
Write
for
it down.
that
Take a picture. I don't
value.
give a fuck.
Chat, come on.
What was that?
Now telling chat to drop the likes.
Yeah, drop the like,
some
guys.
likes. What's going on?
500 people, only 240 plus likes. Come on, guys, get that up.
Wix,
Look,
you just
he
like
brought-
the stream. Like the stream, Wix.
He brought
I
all
did,
of
I
us
just did.
on stream, bro. Y'all gotta like it, bro. If you guys don't get this to at least 300 likes, I won't be back.
Guys are gonna start taking away likes right now.
I know, bro. They don't want me here. I already saw an NY.
I saw it went from
that guy.
274 to 273 for a second.
They don't like me
Yeah.
during NY, bro. They only like you.
Such is life.
Okay.
Okay, bro. My pockets like me. That's all that matters.
Yeah.
Furious effects. All right. I think we're gonna start calling it a session here. I mean, what else are we gonna do?
Riddle?
We had our trade. We had one breakdown.
Exto.
We had a second breakdown. I'm not gonna read you guys a bedtime story. I'm gonna save that for my kids. It's prison pocket.
And we gotta
prison.
finish the 2 games. We gotta finish the 2 games we didn't hit earlier. Wicks.
No. That's for done. Tomorrow I'm not gonna be stuck here till fucking midnight trying to figure out Weaver. I know how it's gonna work. We're gonna do fucking Wordle and Contexto in like 3 minutes.
Don's
And
gonna be
stuck-
so happy.
and be here for an hour
Weaver's
and a half on
gone.
Weaver.
They got rid of it.
Did
Oh,
they
got
really?
rid of it? No more?
Oh wait, no, the servers are back up. Earlier on, my girlfriend texted me saying did they get rid of it, and then went and I like pulled up the website.
Somebody couldn't
and
solve
loaded.
it. Somebody was like, fuck it, DDoS them.
It was pretty easy today. I did it.
Below 1857. I'm looking for cells below 1859.1.
Yeah, bro. Y'all gotta wait for the previous 4-hour lows to get broken, man. Wait for that volume.
You gotta wait for London at this point. Well, I'm gonna wait for London at this point. Dill, I don't know what the deal is with you, but have a wonderful evening.
Dill.
Dill, what's the deal?
Dillio.
Wait a minute.
You guys got Miss Vicky's
Who
over in
are
the States?
you?
What?
Miss Vicky?
Yeah, it's like a kettle chip company. They have spicy dill pickle. It's so
Mm-mm.
good.
You know what's crazy? I used to live over in Atlanta, and
Mhm.
over here in the West, they have a thing called like Tim's Chips, and it's like they have a Hawaiian brand as well, and you can only get them on the West Coast because they're like based out of Idaho. And I did not know that shit. Yeah, it's crazy. But I've never been to a Hortons. What is that you guys have in
Hortons,
Canada?
yeah.
Tim Hortons. Yeah, I want to go there.
Yeah, I still got the cup from a few hours ago sitting here. Got an ice cap. The coffee's overrated, but their other drinks are pretty good.
All right, chat. The only one that's not speaking here is Reza. Reza. Here. you
Reza,
can
where you
unmute,
at,
say-
Reza?
Say what up to everybody. Oh, he's probably sleeping. Beep his ass. Shh. They don't know. Got a sailor's mouth. Whoa. All right, chat. I think this is going in the wrong direction at this point. Oh, look at this. Top wick created. Look, I'm about to hop off, and we're gonna drive straight down.
You guys want to get in with me? You guys can.
No, I'm
not?
good. I'm good. I'm gonna wait for this to come down.
Yo,
Yeah, once this comes down, we'll have more confirmation that this is really a sell. At this moment, this is too risky to take a sell here. Probability is not really on your side. It's 50-50. You can reject anywhere within here. All right, you guys know what I'm doing. You guys know what I'm expecting.
Oh, look
That-
at who came through.
Oh, Reza's here.
shit.
Hey, there he is.
Damn, now I got Reza on the screen.
Now
Saying
we have
goodbye,
to stay.
guys. Like, hi, guys.
What's good? What's good?
Damn.
Yo, my camera's kind of messed.
Don't worry about it. I'm ending the stream, so you won't be on there for a while. But
You
thank
looking
guys
good,
for showing
Reza?
up. Reza's
Respects,
looking,
respects. Thank you.
Zah.
Thanks
looking
for
a
hosting,
little-
Wix.
Thank you for Asian Wicks. I'd be so bored without you.
What's with the beard, Reza? Gone religious on us?
Oh,
Trying to move to Dubai.
I've gone lazy, bro. I've gone lazy. I just grow it out. You know, I just chill here, trade, work out. That's all I do.
Trade with the banks, huh?
Trade with the banks, bro. Smart money only.
All right, Kieran, Green, Calm, Reza, I appreciate you guys for showing up.
Thank you, bro.
As
I
always,
appreciate
guys
you
always
dropping
show
the
up.
link.
Okay, okay.
It's not.
I didn't do it. I know somebody did it.
Reza.
Stop dropping my link. All right, chat. Sub to the channel. We're almost at 300. We're like 2 or 3 away from 300. We're about to be there. Thank you for the 300 likes. Thank you to the mods. Kay, appreciate you for coming through. She didn't join us on Zoom, but that's all right. Kay is not really the Zoom type, I guess. Carly, always showing up. Dill, stay away from whatever you're
Yeah.
doing, Dill. Just take it easy. Get some rest. King James came through. Appreciate it.
Shout out King James.
Jay Good. A lot of people I see a lot of the same names. Cliff's always showing up. Wicked Rasta, yeah, same names. I see it. See, these are the real ones, the consistent overtraders. I love you guys. Awesome. Thank you for showing up, trolls. I'm sorry you didn't get any content today. You're not gonna be able to post a mean video about me today. So maybe next time. But keep showing up, and maybe you'll get a video or something. Maybe you'll get some content, right?
See y'all then. Why?
Yeah, we'll be on tomorrow morning on Don's stream, 6:30 a.m. Eastern. Be there, and don't show up tomorrow for Asian. We'll be back on Monday for Asian at 8 p.m. Eastern, live here on YouTube. Thank you so much, everybody. And Green, happy birthday, bruh.
Happy birthday, Green.
Yeah, happy birthday,
Have
Green.
a day, dog.
Tomorrow.
Enjoy
I'll
it.
be tomorrow. I'll be on tomorrow for
New York?
5 10 minutes, and then I'll be out.
We'll all sing you a happy birthday song.
Alright, loud and proud.
We'll be ready.
Yeah.
All right. Appreciate you guys. All right. Have a good one. Take it easy.
Peace and love,
Hey,
guys.
boys.
All right, take care,
Peace.
boys.
Have a good night, chat.
I was just about to say some out of pocket shit, but I'm not. You know what?
You already gone.
Y'all, hey, y'all be